a sanctuary of technology, exploring the EV6's interior. Step inside the 2024 Kia EV6, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and futuristic cabin that's packed with technology. The minimalist design philosophy creates an airy and inviting atmosphere. Sustainable materials are used throughout, reflecting Kia's commitment to environmental responsibility. The EV6's dashboard is dominated by a curved panoramic display that spans over half the width of the car. This high-resolution screen displays all the essential driving information, as well as infotainment and navigation. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to control all the car's functions. The EV6's seats are both comfortable and supportive, providing ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats can be folded down to create a generous cargo area, making the EV6 a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. With its blend of technology, comfort, and sustainability, the EV6's interior is a truly inviting space.